Polyvinyl alcohol, also known as PVOH, is a water-soluble polymer that has been widely used in various industries such as paper, packaging, emulsions, and adhesives. When dissolved in water, it forms a viscous and transparent solution, capable of easily forming films and coatings. The unique properties of PVOH are water solubility, film forming ability, and inherent biodegradability. Currently, PVOH is used in several industries and markets, some of which are adhesives and emulsion polymerization, used as a stabilizer in emulsion polymerization process for adhesives and glues production, including for water-resistant products. It is also added to final adhesives formulations, improving viscosity and mechanical properties of adhesives. Textile, used in the fiber sizing process to improve the resistance and durability of fabrics. Paper, used for various functions in paper production, such as a binder, dispersant, and coating, helping to improve the quality and properties of paper. Ceramic binder, used in many ceramics applications ranging from tiles and pottery to ferrite as a temporary binder of ceramic particles. Oil and gas, due to its water retention capacity, PVOH is used for cementing, drilling fluids, fracking and prop pant application. Packaging, used as oxygen and grease barrier coating for the packaging industry. PVC production, used as a suspension agent in PVC polymerization, helping to keep PVC particles evenly dispersed in the solution. Agriculture, used in seed treatment, as soil improver, as fertilizer, agrochemical binder, and as spray adjuvant. KURARAY POVAL, Exivol, Elvanol are the trademarks for PVOH made by KURARAY. KURARAY POVAL is the brand name of KURARAY's globally produced PVOH. With more than 120 products in the portfolio, and grades that vary from low to high viscosity, and partially to fully hydrolyzed, it features an extremely wide-ranging field of applications, such as adhesives, paper, ceramics, and agriculture. Elvanol is KURARAY's PVOH brand, which presents a unique particle morphology, coming from a special production process. This modified structure improves its water solubility and dissolving time, expanding its range of applications. Exivol is the trademark of KURARAY's unique high-performance special PVOH. Due to its modified structure, Exivol presents increased water resistance, excellent film forming and binder strength, in addition to oil, grease, and gas barrier. This makes Exivol suitable for applications with high water resistance requirement. Additionally, it's an excellent option for plastic and paper packaging applications, allowing the development of recycled monomaterials and biodegradable films. KURARAY's PVOH plants are located in 2 plants in Japan, Okayama and Niigata, 2 plants in the USA, Bayport and La Porte in Texas, 1 plant in Germany, Frankfurt, and 1 plant in Singapore.